Welcome to AlphaCars Motorcycles. My name is Ian, and today I have this exceptional Mercedes to show you. This is a 2022 Mercedes C300 4MATIC with only 31,000 original miles. It had only one previous owner, and it has a bunch of awesome factory options, including the Pinnacle Package, which is around a $4,000 option all on its own. This C300 is such a nice place to be, has a bunch of cool features. And in this video, we're gonna do a thorough condition overview of this vehicle as it is for sale here at AlphaCars and Motorcycles. You can view the current availability and the pricing on our website, alphacars.com. Once you familiarize yourself with that information, feel free to give us a call, send us an email at the information on the screen here or via our website form, and we can talk to you about buying options for this vehicle, including vehicle transportation. So with all that being said, let's get into the video. We're gonna start on the exterior of the C300. We did confirm on all the metal panels, it does have factory original paint. And as we have the sun kind of peeking in and out of the clouds, we can see really how nice this car looks no matter the lighting. Nice classy white color. And moving around to the back here. As I mentioned, only one previous owner. And we are installing a brand new set of Continental tires on this vehicle here as well. You can view on the online listing all that detailed technical information about the car, like the tire life, brake life, Carfax report, the window sticker, and more, even a set of professional images. So definitely familiarize yourself with the online listing. And that's always linked in the description below. At the top of the description, there'll be a link for you to click on. But now let's get picky, so to speak, about the body on this car. Overall, it's in really, really nice condition. We can see even in the sunlight there, it's gonna be very obvious if there's imperfections or heavy swirling in the clear coat, and this car is presenting very clean. The headlight lenses look really nice. As we move around here, we have this other headlight lens. I don't see any obvious damage. Fender there. Even the lower edges of the front bumper look good. Chrome looks good. And the reason we make these videos is because we're full transparency here at AlphaCars. We want you to be informed and know what you're getting. And we do a lot of purchases with people who are, out of state or even across the country. So we make these videos so it's like you were here looking at the car in person. But checking out the windshield now, it is Mercedes glass. Still has factory glass. There we go. And on the windshield here, I don't see any heavy chips or anything like that. Now looking at the roof of the vehicle, this does have the panoramic sunroof, which we'll check out inside the car, but the condition of everything looks good out here. Now let's go down the driver's side of the vehicle. And as we go down the driver's side here, we'll be able to see if there's any scratches, dings, or dents, because the light will reflect in an irregular way. And everything's looking pretty good here. I do want to point out there is one little sort of ding right here. You have to have it in just the right lighting right here. And the factory paint is unaffected. I just want to show, you can see kind of right here, just affects the sheet metal a little bit there. But other than that, this side looks great. Let's check out the wheels. The driver's side rear wheel looks good. And now at the driver's side front wheel, this wheel looks excellent as well. The lightest little scuff just right here. Just want to point that out, purely cosmetic. Now moving around the back of the C300, we've got the rear glass, the trunk, and the rear bumper. And on the rear bumper, just want to point out a little imperfection here, little imperfection here. And there is the littlest imperfection just in the sort of chrome trim right there. Now going down the passenger side, We're gonna do the same thing. And to my eye, everything is looking good. Man, this paint is in exceptional condition, so glossy. And it's like a mirror. Now at the passenger side front wheel, it's looking excellent. And lastly, the passenger side rear wheel, which this one looks pretty good. There's a light cosmetic imperfection right here and a light one just right here. So I just do want to point that out, but purely cosmetic. Before getting in the interior, let's check out the cargo area. Plenty of room back here in the C300. A little bit of challenging lighting today, but we're making the best of it. Factory mats right here as we look through them. And the driver's mat does have the couple little points of sort of discoloration, but that's exactly what the mat is for, to protect the vehicle carpet. Mats are easily replaceable and affordable. The vehicle carpet is not. You can see the trunk floor, it looks nice, and even under here, plenty of extra storage space. And now, let's put these back in very carefully. You can fold down the seats as well with the buttons here so you can pass things through. But lastly, let's click the button and check that out. I do want to point out there's a light imperfection here and here. Do want to point that out. Now getting into the interior. The lighting in this car is awesome. Such a special place to be, especially at night. You can still see it in the daylight a little bit, but you've got some like mood lighting all around the controls, and even like this raised part here of the door panel, it has the backlighting around the whole thing. And there's even more lighting in the front of the vehicle, and it's customizable as well. But the seating surfaces back here look great, as well as the backs of the front seats. You've got some armrests there with some cup holders that pop out. And we can look up at our panoramic sunroof, and I will show you that working properly once we make our way into the driver's seat. And a little bit of sun challenging the lighting here. But yeah, this door panel is looking good. The edges of the doors look nice. Door jambs look good. And yeah, once again, all the seating surfaces look good back here. Now getting into the front of the vehicle, we can see this really attractive wood trim. The dashboard looks to be in excellent condition, as well as the seats. Sorry about the shadows from the sun, but the seating surfaces are in excellent condition. We can see there's no wear on the bolster or anything like that. And of course the color's all consistent. It's just because of the light from the sun, and there is some clouds coming, which will correct that in a second. We've got the settings for the seat here, all the seat controls, heated seats as well. In the glove box, you can see the soft open works great. And there is the factory booklets in there. You can view a picture of those on the website. And this vehicle does have 2 factory keys as well. And down here, we've got the Mercedes sort of sill panel, and there is the little bit of imperfection just right here. Just want to point that out. Lastly, at the driver's side here, just before we get in, let's take a look at the door panel. Common touch points, everything looks good. Armrest here looks good, as well as the door edges. And the door jamb here looks great. Here's the VIN plate on the car. And part of that Pinnacle package, I believe, is these door sills. These are actually illuminated. They look ultra cool at night. Just before I get in, let's check out the driver's seat condition. And the bolsters and everything look good. No damage to the material there. And now as we get in, foot on the brake, start it right up. Trying to block some of the sun glare for us here. 31,379 miles. And we've got the large sort of tablet-like infotainment here. Tons of different options and customizations. This sort of gloss piano black trim up here looks great. And then you've got storage. I believe there's wireless charging in there. That's another option this car has. And there's some cup holders. And now the center armrest here. This is in excellent condition and it works very smoothly. You can see plenty of room. I have my DJI microphone case in there. And this car even has the head-up display, which you can actually see right there on that rock wall. So that's customizable, I believe. Right now it has the RPM and your speed. And even the upper overhead console, you can see the sort of mood lighting backdrop behind it. And I'll show you at the touch of a button here, the sunshades work good. No matter how nice the vehicle is, always just check that these functions work. Nice and smooth. And it even has lighting like in these sort of vents here. You can see a little bit of lighting in there. It's more noticeable to the naked eye, but especially at night. Such a cool place to be. And yeah, doing my best with the sunlight here, but looking at the condition of the steering wheel, the buttons, everything look great there. And everything on the screen, it's all very responsive. It's all very attractive to look at. And lastly, let's pop the hood and check out the condition of the engine compartment, which it really presents the same as the rest of the vehicle. Super clean. I'm trying to keep my shadow out of it. Idling very happily. You can see all the fasteners and everything are super clean, and also a testament to the vehicle originality. The fender bolts and the hood hinge bolts. You can see there's no wrench marks on them. You can see these are untouched. And right here. So it's a testament to the originality of the paint on this C300. So I want to thank you for watching this video. As we have some crazy winds move in, it's a good time to end the video. If you are interested in the C300, do reach out to us. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the listing on our website, and we'll be happy to discuss this vehicle with you. This has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe so then you don't miss out on the latest motoring content.